Once you've mastered section 1 of Malaguena, there's a very easy way to make this section sound a lot more dramatic. And that is by plucking the open first string using your index finger after every note except for the final note. It's very important when plucking the open first string that your finger should pluck the string upwards. Before you apply this to the piece, try this very simple exercise. Pluck the fourth string with your thumb, followed by index finger, third string with your thumb, second string with your thumb. 4, 3, 2. Over and over again, and gradually build up some speed. All that remains is for me to play you Malaguena Part 1, adding the first string. But before I do so, I'll show you the difference between playing with the first finger and without. So firstly, the first 6 notes without, and then with. As you can hear, all of a sudden, this piece becomes much faster and much more dramatic. You may also have noticed, as I reach the end of the piece, I slow down a little.